Well, g'day folks and welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of my review of the KKE wheels, which you can see on the 500 here behind me. Part 1 was the unboxing and setup of these wheels, how to put them all together. Part 2 is the real world review and just see how they ride. So let's get straight into those ride review clips. Well, g'day folks, welcome to the channel. I'm Keith Jobson. This is literally my first ride with these new wheels. I'm heading out to pick up my brother, who also has a 500 with standard wheels. So we should be able to do some, bike swapping and just see if we can pick up any difference between the cush hub and the standard hub wheels. Let's see if we notice a difference. I'm thinking that it's smoother on down changes.
Okay, so when you're
changing down a gear.
turning down, yeah.
That's my first impression, but I'll see if I can do something similar on this and just see if I notice.
Originally I felt it being a bit smoother. Like on the initial takeoff,
Yeah.
I thought, yeah, this is pretty flush, but after that, not much difference.
I think you get used to it really quick.
Yeah,
That's my theory as well. Now, I still reckon on the roll off, I reckon it's not as harsh.
Yeah, you could be right.
Let's swap back again. Just going for that real quick sort of first impression stuff. Well, it's definitely smoother.
Yeah, it is.
Definitely. Oh, absolutely. Definitely notice it on the gear changes, roll-offs. Yeah. Yeah, it definitely is.
The shitload smoother. 100%.
Yeah, it is. You do notice it for sure. You only notice it like straight away when swapping, when you're swapping.
Yeah, then after that, yeah.
After about 10 seconds,
Yeah,
Just-
back to normal.
back to normal, yeah. Another swap over. Yeah, it's definitely smoother.
Yeah. Justified.
I think so.
Thanks, YouTube.
Just stop somewhere and I'll swap over again.
Ten seconds.
Hey?
First 10 seconds is a completely different ride.
Yeah. Yeah, and then you just get used to it.
I think your suspension's a bit better as well.
Yeah, this is a lot, I don't know, like rougher.
Yeah.
Like when you land, it's just really jarry, whereas that is really soft now. That's great. And before I wrap up, there was a couple of questions in the comments. One was around the alignment of the chain, and using eyeball technology, it is bang spot on. It is spot on with the chain sliders at top and bottom. The brake discs, there was that slight rubbing sound when I was setting them up, and it's basically because the pads kind of wear with the discs, and because these are new discs, I probably should have put new pads on, but I didn't. The last point is on the weight. I didn't measure the original wheels with no tyres on them. So basically this rear tyre, it's the same tyre, it's a D606. It's the same tube, it's an ultra heavy duty tube inside, and the difference is 2.4 kilos. So the OEM wheel with that setup, 12.9 kilos. A KKE wheel, same tyre, same tube, 15.3 kilos. So there is a penalty there of a couple of kilos of all that extra metal down in the hub. The front tyre was less, the difference was about a kilo, probably more to do with the tube that I put in it. I don't believe I had an ultra heavy duty tube in the original wheel, so that's probably the difference there, but there's definitely a couple of kilos difference in the rear.
Some final thoughts, final initial thoughts on these wheels so far. I reckon that's a good thing. Gear changing seems to be smoother. I particularly notice it on the downshifts, that seem to be a lot smoother, and my brother seemed to notice it more on the acceleration. What you probably picked up a bit in this video was how quickly you get used to it though. It's really apparent in the first like 10 seconds when you jump on, but after you've been riding for just a little while, you just get used to it. So overall, I am happy with these wheels. I think it'll just make it a smoother ride in general. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Hope you got something out of it. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now. Keep going?
Keep going.
All right. Committed now.